Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss on how do you create and we will show you how do you create robot connection type and then robot connection. So as discussed, robot connection type is just a template which helps you to include what parameters are required to create a connection with an application, and that robot connection is based on the robot connection type where you provide the actual credentials of the application you are trying to connect to. So let's begin and see how do you create those robot connection type and robot connection. So here we have this guy robot here, and robot connection type, robot connections. These are the two sections which we have to utilize. One, Oracle RPA web login is the default connection type. If you see add it, you will find out the name of this. So basically this connection type already exists, but in case you want to create your own one, you can do, let's say, custom connection type, and then here you will add the properties. Properties meaning what are the properties required to access one application. Let's say URL and create. So only URL you wanted to access. Maybe the public website, and you don't need username password for that. So after your connection type is created, you simply say add here and then choose your connection type. Let's say this custom connection type, and when you have to add name, identify, description, and here is the URL field that you have to give here. Then you can use or RP web login where you can say the default connection type which ask go back which ask URL, username, password. So you can say ERP connection, go to URL, provide the URL of your application that you want to connect to. Let me have one. I should have it in my notepad. Let me copy that quickly. This is my URL. And then let me enter the password, username here, and then password here. And then create. So if everything is okay, your robot connection will be created and you will use this robot connection while creating robot. So here in this connection, we have given the ERP URL, username, password, and you will use this to access the ERP via robot. So that's all about this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye bye.